Today we have about 25 kilometers to go. It's now almost 9 o'clock, so I had a late start. We have about 4 days to go, but at this point absolutely loving it still, even though last night was really painful. We only did 16 kilometers and we were knackered, but today is a good day. Alright, well, I'll leave you to it. I'm going to get some miles done. Woohoo! See ya! So, to give you a little bit of an update about yesterday's footprints, the big one that looked like a dinosaur, apparently it was an emu, so we were right, but we didn't see any. The other prints were definitely pigs, so wild pigs. We haven't seen any, but we've seen many holes, freshly dug holes as well. One of the guys at the camp last night, he said they saw about 22 pigs from Pemberton to here. So yeah, that's a lot. I don't want to see any pigs at this moment. We are now a little bit in snake country. I think I'm gonna put up my gaiters if it continues to be like this. For now it's fine. I'm just trying to go as quick as I can. See ya! This section of the trail gets flooded in spring. So that's why there's all these bridges and log bridges and planks. And they're a little bit bouncy, to be honest. It's alright, no worries. But imagine this would all be flooded. Yeah, so it's pretty cool that they've arranged something to cross all the floods or flooded areas. So yeah, thank you. Woohoo! Still in the forest. It's so beautiful, so quiet. All you can hear is the birds. You can see the sun between the trees. And you can see, you can hear here and there, there's little critters around you. And you don't actually want to know what it is. Lunch, this big granite boulder, now going back into the forest. My feet are absolutely good. Like, I love my new shoes, trail runners, and yeah, they're absolutely beautiful. Maybe take a video of them. There we go, little Solomon Radiance. Very, very comfortable shoes. There's Gazelle with her tent in the front. So she brought a pop-up tent. Yeah, and it's actually working quite well. To everyone's surprise. walking back to the forest. It's been a hot day. Burning up here. Look at the view. Little update. We've come from there. I don't know. We walked all the way across here, and then now we're at this road, and we need to follow it all the way for about 5 kilometers. It doesn't look like anyone has driven here in a while. It's awesome. We made it! Woo! We had a really nice fire tonight and some nice dinner. Some good people around. And before we get to the hut, we saw 2 tiger snakes. One was kind of in a distance and we let it slither away, which is fine. And then the other one, I kind of almost stepped on it. And I panicked and I backed off and it kind of slithered away. But it was really scary. So yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen again tomorrow. After that happened, we were really careful because none of us had seen the snake and it was hiding under some bushes. So yeah, it was interesting. See you tomorrow. Good night.